Hey folks, welcome back. Last week we talked about credit scores and how to get your true mortgage credit score. And we were with my good friend here, Jose Martinez. This week we're going to talk about actual credit repair. Because I found that as a realtor, one of the things that really keeps people from buying a home is that credit score and having a good credit score, right?
Absolutely. So the importance of a credit score is huge. The better the credit score, the lower the interest rate. So a lot of people ask me about, hey, how do I repair my credit? There's a lot of how-tos out there. Typically, when the first step you should do is meet with a loan officer. Establish what the credit score is that you want to get what you want as far as interest rate and amount that you're trying to borrow. There's a lot of credit repair companies out there. I will tell you that your loan officer will advise you on which is the best one for your particular situation.
That's awesome. Yeah, the one thing that I always find with clients is that they're a little bit hesitant to apply for a mortgage or because they don't know what their score is. And one of the things that I relay to them is I say, hey, you got to know what the starting point is. Where are you truly today? And that's when it comes in handy. So we did talk about credit scores last week, and this is just one way to actually help get your credit back on track where you wanted to get the rates and all that other stuff that you need to buy a home. So is there anything else that you'd like to share about credit score repair?
Absolutely. Before you hire a credit repair company, again, meet with your loan officer. Establish the goal. What is the goal score that we're looking for? When you're communicating with the credit repair companies, they should communicate via email so that nothing's forgotten, and they should have an action plan. It should say, these are the things we're going to remove. This is the goal mortgage score we're going after to get there, and how long is it going to take, and how much it's going to cost. So it's very simple. Hey, for me to get my credit score here, what are you going to remove? How long is it going to take, and what's it going to cost?
That makes a lot of sense, right? We put plans into action every day in our business and in our lives too. I mean, you go to the grocery store, you make a checklist, right? So you know where you're going to get. So that's really great information. If anybody wants to know more about credit repair or credit scores, you want to share your information too?
Absolutely. Just call me at 210-389-2976, and we'll set up a private meeting.
Okay, awesome. So there you go. You heard it from Jose. Uh, Knowing where you're at and how to get to where you're wanting to be is, it's all part of the process. So if you guys got any questions, you can call Jose or you can call me. My number is 210-870-0296. All right? Have a great day, and we'll see you next week.